Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw, samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa nakita kong video galing sa channel ni The Singing Show TV. Ayan, bago tayo magsimula guys, subscribe muna kayo sa channel ni The Singing Show TV. Ito yung video ni Mati Juniosa. Ito yung Journey to the Finals on Britain's Got Talent 2026. Panoorin natin kung gaano kalupit yung performance ni Mati Juniosa dito guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react.
Mary J is in the final, everyone! Yeah!
Imagine leaving your home country, chasing a dream, working as a waiter just to survive, and one day standing on one of the biggest stages in the world.
Waiter pala yung trabaho ni Mati Juniosa sa abroad.
This is the story of a Filipino dreamer, a voice that shook the world, and a journey that made the Philippines proud. Today we're talking about Mati Juniosa and his incredible rise to the grand finals of Britain's Got Talent 2026.
Pagkakaalam ko, sumali siya dati sa Pinoy Idol. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Pero hindi yata siya nanalo doon.
Trust me, this story will give you goosebumps. Mati Juniosa is not just another singer. Born in Mandaluyong, Philippines, former Idol Philippines Top 12 finalist.
Taga Mandaluyong pala siya, no? Ayan, ito yung sumali siya sa Idol Philippines. Anong taon ba to? Yan, i-comment nyo nga guys sa mga nakasubaybay sa career ni Mati Juniosa. Yan, i-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section at babasahin ko yan.
Moved to Glasgow, Scotland to study musical theatre. Worked as a part-time waiter while chasing his dreams.
Scotland. Nag-aaral pala siya, no? Talaga ng patungkol sa music. Talagang yun ang pangarap niya talaga. Maging isang malupit na singer.
But behind the talent was a man carrying self-doubt. He once said he wanted to prove he's not just a singing competition loser. This wasn't just a competition, this was redemption. Then came the moment that changed everything. Mati stepped on the Britain's Got Talent.
Ba't ba hindi siya nanalo doon sa Pinoy Idol? Magaling naman talaga to si Mati Juniosa. Sa bagay, marami naman talagang ganun no? Yung hindi na nanalo dito sa atin sa Pinas pero nakikilala sa ibang bansa. Kagaya nga nito sa BGT.
Stage sang Purple Rain by Prince, and from the first note, boom. Standing ovation, crowd going wild, judges stunned.
Ito ba yung audition niya na Ito yung kinanta niya, guys. Yung kanta ni Prince, Purple Rain. Ito ba yung ginawa niyang pang-audition? I-comment niya nga, guys, sa mga nakakalam.
And then, Simon Cowell hits the golden buzzer. Confetti rains down, dreams start becoming reality. This moment sent him straight to the live shows, skipping the usual process. Let's break this down line by line.
Never meant to cause you any sorrow.
Right away you can feel the control. Hindi siya nagmamadali. He starts soft, almost whispery.
Nagtagalog na si The Singing Show TV. Pinoy rin yata to si The Singing Show TV. Gamit lang yung AI voice.
But very stable. This is confidence. As reported, he prepared this song carefully and made adjustments to his version. This control shows that preparation.
Honey, I know all times
Taas ng boses.
Grabe, the emotion.
Grabe talaga. Yung emotion ng kinakanta niya, grabe. Talagang halatang may aral siya sa music, Dahil yun naman talaga yung pangarap niya.
Ramdam mo agad yung story. This is not just singing. This is acting through voice, facial expression, controlled vibrato, connection sa audience. No wonder the crowd was already hooked early on.
Let me go.
Tsaka ang hirap nito eh, yung pyesa ni Prince. Si Prince pala guys, sa mga hindi nakakalam, isang ano siya, malupit na musikero. Grabe yung mga kanta niya, ang gaganda. Tsaka idol ko to pagdating sa gitara. Grabe. Panood ko dati yung jamming nila Eric Clapton, George Harrison. Grabe yung pinakitang performance ni ano doon, Prince, nung nabubuhay pa.
Here's where Matty starts to open his voice. You hear that mix, head plus chest voice blending perfectly. According to reports,
O may alam din sa pagkanta to si The Singing Show Ang galing nung pagkaka-analyze niya, no?
the audience started reacting strongly mid-performance. This is that exact moment where everything shifts. This is where
Grabe. Iba talaga yung kalibre nito ni Mati. Grabe yung mga pakulot-kulot niya, no, ng boses.
he lets go vocally,
Girit niya.
full power, wide resonance, emotional release. Reports say the audience actually rose mid-performance, and honestly, this is that exact section.
Parang naalala ko si Jed Madela dito kay Mati. Parang same sila, no, na ganong kataas din. Mataas din yung boses ni Jed Madela eh. Tapos alam ko sumali din yun sa mga singing competition sa abroad eh. Iba yung ngiti ni
He goes
Simon.
all out here. Vocal runs, power belts, emotion, everything combined. Judges gave a standing ovation and the crowd went wild.
Pag ngumiti si Simon ng ganon, alams na. Nagustuhan niya yung performance.
This is not just a performance, this is a moment. He ends it with control, not overdone, not messy,
Standing ovation.
just pure artistry.
Grabe.
Mati Juniosa is no stranger to the spotlight. After already earning a golden buzzer in his first appearance, expectations were
Si Simon na yung pumindot eh, no? Galing. Talaga napabilib niya si Simon. Ang hirap i-please nito eh, Simon.
sky high. Pero instead na mag-play safe, he chose one of the hardest songs in rock history, Dream On. Bakit mahirap? Wide vocal range, soft to
Dream On ni Aerosmith.
explosive transitions, iconic high notes na halos imposible maabot. This is the kind of song na kahit professional singers natatakot kantahin. But Mati, he embraced the challenge.
Oo, ang hirap nun nung kanta na yun.
Each time that I look in the mirror, all these lines on my face getting clearer. Everybody's got their dues in life to pay.
Siguro to si Mati Juniosa, naboboring to pag yung mga kanta ano lang. Yung mga regular na kanta lang. Kaya ang kinakanta niya talaga yung mga pandiinan na ano eh, na pyesa, no.
Okay.
Mati started the song very gentle, almost whisper-like. Control agad, emotion agad. Hindi siya nagmadali. He let the audience feel the song first. Parang kinukwento niya yung lyrics, not just singing, but storytelling.
Maraming ganyan yung kumukonek talaga sa audience. Pag yung style nila parang nagkukwento, no? Kinukwento nila yung kanta. Nararamdaman talaga ng mga nanonood yung mensahe ng kanta.
Dream on, dream on, dreams come back to you.
Grabe. Yun ba yung vibrato? Yung parang nanginginig yung boses niya, no?
As the song progressed, unti-unti niyang binuild ang intensity. Mas lumakas ang boses, mas naging emotional. Ramdam mo yung passion. This is where you see his technique, controlled breathing, steady tone, and perfect timing. Hindi siya sumigaw agad.
Saan kaya nakahana itong boses ni Mati? 'Di ba maraming tinatawag na klase kagaya ng soprano, 'di ba? May mga alto. Yan. I-comment nyo nga guys sa mga professional na singer diyan kung ano ba si Mati Juniosa. Saan ba nakahana yung boses niya? Yung range.
He saved it for the perfect moment.
Alam ko may tenor pa eh, no? Tenor na sinasabi.
Sing for the laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me if it's just for the day.
And then, the moment
Ganda ng stage, oh. Grabe. Yung makatungtong ka lang dyan sa stage na yun, talagang ano na eh. Napakalaking karangalan na eh, no? Lalo pa yung makapasok ka sa finals, di ba?
everyone was waiting for, boom. Matty hit the high notes with power, clarity, emotion. Hindi lang mataas, malinis at may puso.
Yun, importante yun, yung clarity. Meron kasi mga singer na pag kumanta, hindi mo maintindihan masyado yung lyrics, di ba? Hindi ganun kalinaw.
This is where the judges lost it.
So surrender.
Ang pinaka-special sa performance, hindi lang technique, kundi
Grabe, ang taas pala talaga ng boses niya. Grabe yung birit niya na yun, no? Ito yung performance niya, pang ano na eh, pang grand finals na. Grabe.
damdam. Makikita mo sa mukha niya, he was living every lyric. And that's why the audience stood up,
Tama.
because they didn't just hear the song, they felt it.
Effortlessly, sensational, singing with every ooh, it just pours out of you so easily. Those high notes are just so sweet.
And then it happened.
Effortless, no?
The golden buzzer, confetti everywhere, crowd screaming, judges in shock. Second golden buzzer for a Filipino artist, Grabe. This moment proves
Grabe
one
daw.
thing. Filipino talent is world-class. Why this performance is special?
Nanay niya
This
ba yun?
performance-
Yung parang pinakitang umiiyak sa harap. Kasama niya siguro dito.
Is more than just singing. It represents Filipino passion, global competitiveness, courage to take risks.
Iba talaga yung ngiti ni Simon eh. Pag hindi siya nasasatisfy sa nagpe-perform, nakasimangot yan eh, si Simon eh. Pero dito iba yung ngiti niya eh. Laki ng ngiti, di ba?
Matty didn't choose an easy song. He chose a legendary one, and he delivered.
Oh, legendary.
And of
Talagang,
course, our very
iconic
own
yung kanta
Filipino
na yun.
pride, Matty Juniosa, is about to take the stage again after 2 golden buzzers and a powerful journey to the finals. From Purple Rain to Dream On, he already proved he's world-class. But tonight,
Ayun oh, yung nanay niya yata to.
he chose one of the most emotional songs ever, Nothing Compares to You.
Ang ganda rin kanta nito guys. Nothing compares.
Bro, the control, the softness. He didn't overpower it, he felt it. You can already hear the
Oo nga, pwede siya sa mga biritan, pwede rin siya sa mga soft na ano eh, pyesa eh. Na kanta. Napaka-smooth.
pain in his voice.
Galing niya mag-transition, no? Yung kagaya ng sinasabi nga ni The Singing Show TV. Yung vibrato, chest voice, etc. Yung mga technique niya. Talagang kaya niyang laruin eh. Head voice.
That emotion. It's like he's telling a real story, not just singing. The audience is dead silent.
Sino ba original no nung Nothing Compares to You? Ayan, i-comment nyo nga guys sa mga nakakalam.
Wow. He's building it slowly. No rush. This is storytelling. You can see the judges already leaning in.
Yung style ng boses niya parang hindi Pilipino eh, no? Parang foreign yung style ng boses niya. Parang may pagka, ano ba tawag daw, R&B, parang ganon.
The tone got deeper. There's more weight now. He's pulling everyone into the song. Yes, here comes the confidence. Slight power, but still controlled, not shouting, just pure
Hindi kaya mainit dyan sa stage ng BGT. Ang daming ilaw.
artistry.
Sabi, nag-aapoy stage. Ang galing, no? Ang galing ng pagkakasetup ng stage.
That vocal texture, it's
May
so
birit
clean
din
but
siya dun.
emotional at the same time. This is world class. You can hear the storytelling again.
Magaling
He's
pala siya
painting a picture.
pumirit.
Wow.
Yung style niya, ano talaga, pang competition, sing contest. Madalas sa huli bumibirit siya eh. Ang taas ng ano niya, boses.
This is where most singers go big. But Matty, he's mixing emotion and power. That's why he's different. Final chorus, the winning moment. He went even bigger, but still not over singing. That is a grand finals performance.
Lakas siguro ng lungs nito, no? Ang haba nung ano niya, nung birit niya hininga niya. Hindi kinakapos. Maapoy yung stage. Eto, napaiyak siya dito, guys.
Ended it gently, not loud, not dramatic,
Naging
just
emotional
pure
siya.
emotion. And honestly, that made it even more powerful. Guys, win or lose, Matty Juniosa already made history, from being a part-time waiter in the UK to standing in the grand finals of Britain's Got Talent. That is insane. But after that performance, I'm calling it, this is a winner's performance. Even before results, fans already believed he
Nakakatawa talaga yung pinindot ni Simon yung golden buzzer.
honestly might win this whole competition. And honestly, watching his performances, you can feel it. This is not just singing. This is world-class
Bagsakan yung
artistry.
mga compete.
From Idol Philippines finalist to
Parang siya na yung
international
nanalo
sensation
sa ano sa grand finals, no?
to BGT finalist to global icon. Matty Juniosa proved one thing. Filipino talent is world-class. From a waiter in Glasgow to a global stage, grabe journey niya. And like what
Grabe journey niya. Nakakatawa pakinggan yung boses ni The Singing Show TV. Pero alam ko ano to parang boses AI siya eh. Pero ang ganda ng content niya, ang ganda ng pagkaka-deliver niya nitong kanyang content about kay Matty Juniosa.
fans said online, world-class talent talaga. Bigger stage ang para sa kanya. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing Filipino talent stories around the world. This is The Singing Show TV,
Paklase talaga Pinoy.
proudly Pinoy.
Nakaka-proud. Grabe, ibang klase talaga Pinoy, no? Nakaka-proud yung kanyang talent. Biruin mo, napatayo niya yung mga judges sa BGT. Grabe. O guys, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa channel ni The Singing Show TV. Ayan yung kanyang channel, guys. Panoorin niyo yung kanyang mga video, napakagaganda. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating munting channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating content. Paano, hanggang dito na muna guys. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.